Hey everyone, this is Richard Noto. I'm a realtor, home inspector, and notary. Right now we are over at Winter Garden over in the downtown Winter Garden section, and we are at Avex Homes. I'm going to check out this fantastic looking home, and I'm trying to speed up before I get run over by a car. So let's go inside and have a look. Got a fantastic porch over here. Now the homes in this area have a very old-time appeal about them. It's not the standard Florida home that you're probably used to seeing. Now this is also the sales office. So I just want to show you the homes over here that are up on the wall so you could take a look at them and you'll see exactly what I mean. Take a look at those homes. And this is the home that we're inside of right now. Okay, so the ceilings are extremely high. It's a 10-foot ceiling. So I've only seen the first floor, naturally because I had to come in here. And I thought that this was pretty amazing. The storage underneath the stairs is so tall I don't even have to duck. And I would say the height in here is probably about 6'7". You got a really fantastic looking kitchen. And you got a door on the side over here, which is something that you really don't see. Now next is really nice too. I know I'm stepping outside. I don't normally do this, but on the side of the house you got this nice porch. So you have a second porch. And you can see over here's the rear patio. And please don't forget to check out my website at wintergardennew.com, where you can always find the latest homes for sale that are listed on the MLS at the bottom of every page. You can check out the floor plans from home builders and save properties. Let's go check out the garage. I want to show you something that's pretty cool about the garage. So the garage basically has its own closet where you got your hot water heater and your AC, plus a ton of space for storage, as you can see that all the paint cans in there. Okay, so let's head up to the second floor, check it out. Okay, so this over here appears to be a master. And this is, what is this? Oh, there's a shower here. Check this out. Very nice. You got over there on the right, you have what could be a small seat or your ledge for your shampoos and soaps. I mean, excuse me, on your left. Essentially, this is a shower room. Pretty interesting. It's different. So let's see, over here's your laundry room. Oh, fantastic, it has its own bath. You have a walk-in closet, let's see. Yeah. Let's get another view of this loft. Let me take a little peek into this closet because the chair's kind of in the way. Oh, it's just the AC. Okay, so you got one unit on the first floor, which is outside in the garage closet, and you got one up here. Let's check out this closet. And if you are interested in this home, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. It is a policy of home builders pretty much everywhere that you have to enter with your realtor from the start. And I do get paid from the home builder as well, so my service to you as a realtor is essentially free. And not only that, But after you contact me, I can get the latest inventory and the latest pricing, because pricing can change any day without any notice, and also incentives that you would not get without me. Okay, so these 2 bedrooms are attached to that bathroom in the middle. Actually, I'll check out this closet. This is a really nice home. This home is really different feeling. Just gonna back up into this again. And please don't forget to like, favorite, share, subscribe. And if you have any questions, as always, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. So I am all the way up against the rear wall over here. This is pretty much what you see. And thank you for watching. I hope everyone has a fantastic day. Let's get one more view of the kitchen from the stairs.